I have not been this concerned about COVID-19 since the early days of the pandemic.
Tonight, Chicago follows suit with a Big Apple, with hospitals suddenly running out of available intensive care beds. Mayor Lightfoot announcing a new vaccine mandate for most indoor gathering places. It covers bars, restaurants, gyms, and entertainment venues, and excludes houses of worship and grocery stores as the state records its highest number of new cases in a single day this year. And it comes amid a huge wave of COVID cancellations. Tonight, even Barry Manilow scrapped his show. And on top of all that, questions about a City Hall Christmas party that may have led to more cases.
We did not find that much negative reaction to the mandate today. But first, let's get into the fine print.
We begin with political editor Mike Flannery.
After months free from most COVID concerns, Chicago suddenly is back in the thick of the pandemic.
And I expect within the next week to week and a half, we will see the highest number of COVID cases in this city that have ever been diagnosed.
The mayor's ordering bars, restaurants, gyms, and entertainment venues to record how patrons prove they're vaccinated. Lightfoot delayed the mandate till January 3rd at the request, she said, of struggling businesses. In another concession, employees will not have to be vaccinated as long as they frequently test for COVID. Also exempt, those entering for 10 minutes or less to carry out food or drink or to use the restroom.
I don't want to shut the economy down. I don't want to have to take other mitigation steps. We have been through hell and back in the last 20 months.
But with new variants of COVID sickening tens of thousands of unvaccinated Chicagoans, the University of Illinois' West Side Hospital is among those that have run out of beds in their intensive care unit.
As of yesterday, there were only 18% of our ICU beds available across the city. Midday, we actually had no ICU beds available at our hospital.
The bottom line from public health officials: as fed up and done with this coronavirus as we all may be, it's not done with us. And especially if you're unvaccinated, it's not done with you. I'm political editor Mike Flannery.